Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Toyota Prius and we're going to show you how to replace the tail light bulbs on a Prius second generation, which is from 2004 until 2009. It's the same for all years. So what you need to do is open the trunk and then go to the tail light that you need to replace the light bulb. In our case it's the left light, and right there is a little cap that you need to pull out from the bottom. And now our light on the bottom, that's when your headlights are on. So right here, as you can see, this one is burned, so you just pull it out and you replace it with a new one. And that's the one only when you turn your headlights and you have tail lights. And again, you just put it there and turn it to the right. The top one, again, you turn it to the left about quarter revolution, 90 degrees. And this is the middle one. This one is for reverse. The middle bulb is for reverse. And then the very top one right there is for the turn signal. It's orange. So all of them, you just turn them to the left, take them off, and then if you need to replace it, okay, you see this is the bulb right there. It's HB24. And you just install it again the same way and turn it to the right to lock. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.